Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix PDF preview pane not working in Windows 11. All right, so let's begin with the video. You may notice that when clicking on a PDF file inside File Explorer, no preview appears on the right side. To begin fixing this, open File Explorer and click on the View option from the top menu. From there, make sure the preview pane option is enabled. Once it is selected, try clicking on the PDF file again to see if the preview now appears correctly. If the preview still does not load, move to the right-hand side and click on Preview again. After that, select the PDF document once more and check whether it opens inside the Preview section. In case the issue continues, click on the three horizontal dots located in the top area of File Explorer and choose Options. When the Folder Options window opens, switch to the View tab. Inside this section, make sure the option called Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails is turned off. Then scroll further down and confirm that Show Preview Handlers in Preview pane is enabled. After changing these settings, click Apply and then press OK to save everything. If none of these steps solve the problem, open the Start menu and search for Adobe Acrobat. Launch the application and click on Menu from the top navigation bar. Then select Preferences. Inside the Settings window, look for the option called Enable PDF Thumbnail Previews and make sure it is switched on. Once enabled, scroll to the bottom and click OK. You may also see a confirmation message, so click Yes to continue. After the process finishes, go back to File Explorer and check your PDF files again. You should now be able to see the PDF previews and thumbnails correctly inside the preview pane. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix PDF preview pane not working in Windows 11. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.